What's up, everybody? Z-Man1313 and welcome. Angry. Welcome to today's ride, and yeah, I've got you in my hand for a couple reasons, but wanted to show you a couple things that we're going to try out and look at today. And number one, check this thing out. Man, so you know, with all the crap back there, you have an obstructed view, obviously, out of the back side. So I saw out of a way different video. I watched a video of this guy called Slim Potato Head. I don't know if you ever heard of him. He's just he's a cool cat, man. He's just a real chill, cool cat, and he does traveling out of a little A-frame at first. Now he's got a little casita. And I started watching his videos just because he does so many DIYs on what would you call it? DIYs of little small trailers, and you know, maximizing the room of a small trailer, maximizing his timing there. And when I had my little trailer, I was trying to just get as many ideas, and I've really just been hooked on watching him because of him. He's just a cool cat, and he's just out there just doing his thing. I mean, just doing his thing, and that's what matters, you know. And he visits so many places and hikes and this and that, and so, you know, I dig it. I dig what he's doing there with it. So he had something like this. I'm not sure if this is the exact one that he got, but he got something like this, and I started looking, and this thing had so many great reviews. And it was very inexpensive. What was it? $59, $49, $59, or $69? Right around 60 bucks, I'll say, if it comes out cheaper for you, then, you know, you came out ahead if you're looking for something like that. Highly recommend. I mean, oh my goodness alive. And so, you've got, I don't know what you've got it's a little touch screen. You can look at the front. There's the front of the vehicle, and I'm recording right now to see what kind of video footage it gets. There's no way it could be very good, but you know, you never know. I want to see what it gets. I do know that that windscreen is dirty, so I need to clean it off and see if we can make it better. But yeah, let's get out here and see what we could get into. The second toy I'm playing around with and looking at today is this thing, and it's my microphone for the camera that I'm holding in my hand. And so yeah, I have a few ideas. That cord is not going to do me. I need a longer cord. I have it at home. I didn't bring it, but let's check it out. Let's see the sound difference with that and then this thing. So sound check without any microphone on. I dropped it. And now sound check with the microphone on. What do y'all think? Yeah? No? Maybe? I want to put you outside, and this is the reason I bought it. The reason I got it was to put you guys out here where you can get a good view, and then I can put you guys in here with me, or the microphone in here with me, and let's see if we can clean off this screen a little better. The other thing we need to do is take off the state park pass. So park right here for a second. I'll show you the other goodies and things like that when we stop today. So here's the video from the dash cam. I doubt that's going to be sufficient enough for YouTube videos. Let me stop it for a second, and then let's go with resolution. Says 1080p in the front, 720 in the rear. Yeah, that's what we want, the higher resolution up front. Yeah, the microphone's just not going to stay there where I want it. The cord's just not good. It's not right to do that with. But again, like I said, I have another cord that I'll get, and I'll use it for that. Let's try that one out there and see. Well, it pops off. It just keeps popping off. So I was going to go off on a pretty good ride today, but it started drizzling. It looked like crap going west. So I actually turned and started heading northeast, and I'm going to loop around, and I'm not going to stay out too long today. I'm going to go home and chillax, make some videos, and just have a chill day today.